Hello everyone, my name is Dang Tuan. I am student in class D2. Today I will talk about my tree collection. Trees are an important natural resource because trees give us many things. Trees are renewable resource because we can plant more trees. We can get from tree many things. Tree give us oxygen to breathe. Tree give us wood to make floor, chair, table, and door. In our classroom, we have we have wooden floor, wooden door, wooden chair, and wooden table. We also get medicine from tree. Tree can be a house animals. People are do bad thing to tree and rainforest. People they are cutting down the tree. They are burning the rainforest. So we should protect the tree and rainforest. We should plant more tree. We should watering the tree, and we shouldn't cut down the tree. We shouldn't burn the tree. That's the end. Thank you for listening.